Hello Nexers, welcome back to the channel. Uh, Very happy to meet you again with a new content. And in today's video, I want to show you the proof of work. Basically, this is the rental application. Uh, I wanted to show you how we actually run all these volumes of application that came in without even touching anything. So this is my inbox for your reference, and this is the 14 application that we actually screened for this month, and then we didn't even touch anything in the system. So I'm very happy to share you how I did that and how this entire system works, and what actually happens when each and every single thing happens. Basically, once a application comes in, what are all the layers, how it actually works, and how it can exactly fit into your workflow. Stay tuned to understand how it actually works. As you can see in my inbox that I have received a lot of applications, and I received one recently this today. So once you get into this inbox, you can see that how detailed these reports are being generated. So it actually received 2 hours ago. So it's a low risk profile. We actually classify it based on low, medium, and high. So low, automatically emails, lease agreements will be sent. Medium, owner will be looped in to look at to take a decision. High will be declined, obviously. So based on this, we actually screened maybe about 5 to 6 applications this month. Totally 14 out of 14. I think we were able to get, I think 8 or roughly that kind of an application that was screened in. So if you look at the application, this is a quick summary for leasing manager, and then if you deep dive into it, you have tenant screening report, application summary, residential history, income verification, bank transactions, official screening reports, risk mitigation analysis, positive indicators, risk factors, fraudulent risk, everything that is needed for us to take the report. Imagine how long it will take a virtual assistant or anyone for that matter to actually do this kind of a reporting for each and every single application. That too, this month we received for like about what 14 applications. So very excited that this is actually working. Owner is very happy that there is no need for him to be in the loop for some of these applications. So let me actually walk you through one more high risk profile, and then I will walk you through how it actually works on the back end. Great, now we are actually in one of the high risk profile, and then as you can see, exactly the same report, but it is actually saying, hey, this is high, I would like to say that you decline this, or I would like you to loop in. This is actually not matching your rental application screening criteria that you fixed, and exactly the same report: income, bank statements, official folio screening, risk mitigation, positive indicators, everything. And then you'll also see a quick summary at the summary, like at the end, so that you can understand whether this candidate will be a good fit for us or not. So I would like to walk you through one more with a medium screening, and then you can understand how it actually does that. So this one is actually recommending to decline. This was a medium kind of a thing, medium profile, I would say. So received on 15th, has all the details. As you can see here, it is actually recommending this because uh, maybe he faked it, or there was some kind of an issue. Basically, he was not able to pay the rent for the last couple of months, so it is actually recommending to decline. But we obviously looped in the owner to take the final call. As you can see, this gives you very clear report on what's high, what's low, and what it is actually recommending, and what is the reason behind that. So this is how these reports will come in, as you know, and as you can see in my inbox that all the 14 applications has been processed this month without touching anything, any kind of a software for that matter. This can run in any software, Buildium, Propertyware, any software that you are using for the property management. You can do that obviously very well. I want to show you now. I'm going to take you back to how all these layers work and how it actually performs. Okay, now as you can see here, we have multiple layers that is working as a system to actually pull all these things off, right? So we have the up next agentic layer, which is obviously the layer that is actually sitting on top of whatever systems that you're using to work, and then it is actually helping you to just generate reports, take actions on behalf of you, and then make your systems more efficient. I've just chosen 4 agents here, and then we are just going to look at one agent. We just saw how it actually, just saw the output of the agent. I'm going to show you what it actually does. So the first layer is obviously the AppNext agent layer, and then there is the second layer, which is the main central part of it, which you are currently having your AppFolio, Buildium, Rent Manager, Propertyware, or any kind of a property management software. So basically, what is happening is tenant applies here, and all the details are stored in one of the property management softwares, and then it is being pulled by this agentic layer to understand what's happening, compare that with the so whatever conditions we have given based on the agent. For screening, obviously there will be a screening criteria that we look at. So once it understands that, then it actually delivers the output or action or whatever that needs to be done outside of the 2 layers, which is in my case, as you know, I am using AppFolio, and then I received the application here, and then it actually came to the screening agent. It understood what has to happen, and then it did all the research, everything that needs to be completed. It does that, and then actually it pushed me the email and say, hey, it's low, medium, high, whatever you need to figure out from here. And as I mentioned, if it is low, we actually send an rental, the leasing agreement right away, so that we don't wait for it. If it is medium or high, we generally try to loop in the owner to take the final call, so that there is no issue. And as you can see here, new rental application received, and it actually does all these 6 checks automatically. Once it is triggered, it does the identity verification, obviously with the government ID proofs. Then it does the credit report, and then it actually does the criminal background and the eviction history. And once it is done completing that, then it does the income verification, and also it does the landlord verification. Basically, we can set it up in a way that it can literally try to call a landlord, but in this case we just sent a mail and a text message to confirm things. And then once everything is verified, it say, hey, everything is verified, and I feel that this is a low risk profile tenant. Once it understands that, it actually pushes out an email, and that's what we actually looked at in the first half of the video. We just looked at the detailed report that actually came in, and then on top of that, we actually can automate it, and currently we have it, so we actually push it through DocuSign for now, but we can do it with an AppFolio. We can do it with however you like it. It can actually take action on behalf of us and then take it. Amazing part of this is it can actually do this job within 3 minutes and 2 seconds. Obviously this entire flow will take a human to take maybe an hour or hour and a half, but it literally have completed this within like 3 minutes and 2 seconds. So basically it will increase the opportunity of a tenant moving in sooner. Means like more revenue coming in for owner is happy, blah blah blah. So as I mentioned earlier, this month alone we ran it 14 times. Basically, we received 14 applications, and then every single time it has actually done it automatically, and we never touched anything without any kind of an involvement, except if it is medium or high, we actually wanted to loop the owner. So that is how we actually done this with the rental application. When we look at the repair, which is the maintenance triage agent, so when a tenant sends a message, it classifies, then dispatch a vendor and try to resolve it. I will make a detailed video about this. Please do leave a comment about any kind of an agent that you're looking for, and I'll be working on getting us this the maintenance triage agent soon. And then we have a relist agent. Obviously you might have seen it in my previous videos, that there is a relisting agent. So this time it has done a wonderful job. We have spent zero money relisting it, because no virtual assistants or anyone is involved in doing it. There is no need to worry about whether my marketing is actually going smooth or not, because it does everything: scanning your photos, looking at whether the content is good, making sure the SEO optimized description is there, everything. And then we also have a collection agent. Basically, it does the collection. It follows up with the tenant who are delinquent, try to talk with them, follow up with them, understand their issue, and then also try to actually uh, uh, make payment plan and stuff. So it has actually done one of the things. Literally, it has collected 1,450 for us this month. We had two delinquent tenants, I think. Sorry, I think it's one tenant. So it actually sent a notice, got the money collected basically by following up. So as I mentioned again, very happy to share with you that it was able to do everything without touching anything. So I'm again very happy to share with you that these agents are actually creating values for not only owners but property management companies and investors, and especially the owners who are actually far from where they are and then trying to do something remotely to manage the entire show by themselves. So very happy, and we are also offering a 15-day pilot. Basically, you'll be able to uh, of your choice, you'll be able to build two agents, and then on top of that, we will help you build the agent, show you the results upfront before even subscribing to the up next agents that we will build for you. So very happy. I have already left my links. You can look at the demo on how it actually works. Again, we do have the website. I have left my in the description link, and I have my email. uh, Please do book a call with me so that we can build much more agents, and I'm very happy to share that things are actually working out great for the owners. And if you have any other questions about this, please do leave a comment, and I'm very happy to answer those. If you want to book a call, we already have a link there. Please do subscribe for this channel. We are building more agentic workflows which will be very helpful for property management companies and owners and investors. Please do subscribe for more such kind of contents, and very happy, and thank you so much for watching this video, and we will catch up in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.